Title: Steps involved in asset sale from one company to another in India. Myself BIJAY, welcome back to our channel Lawminds. In this video, we will discuss the comprehensive steps involved in an asset sale from one company to another in India. Whether you are a business owner planning to sell your assets or a buyer looking to acquire assets from another company, understanding the process is crucial to ensure a smooth and legally compliant. We will explore the key steps, legal requirements, documentation, and considerations involved in this process. Today, we will dive into the complexities of asset sales from one company to another in India. Whether you are a seller or a buyer in this process, understanding the crucial steps involved can help you navigate the legal landscape and ensure a successful transaction. So, let's get started and explore the comprehensive steps involved in an asset sale from one company to another in India. Step 1. Preliminary assessment and valuation. Before initiating an asset sale, both the buyer and the seller need to conduct a thorough preliminary assessment of the assets involved. This assessment includes the valuation of assets, which helps determine the fair market value and potential negotiation points. Appointing a qualified valuer is essential to ensure accurate assessments, which may include physical inspection, analysis of financial statements, and market research. Step 2. Negotiating and drafting the sale agreement. Once the preliminary assessment is completed, the buyer and the seller must negotiate the terms and conditions of the sale agreement. It is essential for both parties to reach a mutual understanding regarding asset transfer, purchase price, payment terms, representations, warranties, and any other specific provisions. Engaging legal professionals for drafting the sale agreement will help ensure clarity and protection of the parties' interests. Step 3. Legal due diligence investigations. Conducting legal due diligence is a crucial step to identify any legal issues or risks associated with the assets being sold. Both the buyer and the seller need to engage legal professionals who will conduct a comprehensive review of documents such as licenses, permits, contracts, mortgages, leases, and other legal agreements. This process helps mitigate potential legal obstacles and ensures a smooth transfer of assets. Step 4. Obtaining necessary approvals and permissions. In India, some asset sales may require certain specific approvals or permissions from regulatory authorities, depending on the nature of the assets involved. It is crucial to identify and obtain these necessary approvals, such as those from the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, central government, or other relevant authorities. Failure to adhere to these requirements may lead to legal complications or even negate the sale. Step 5. Asset transfer and compliance. Once all the previous steps have been completed, the asset transfer process can begin. The transfer of assets must comply with various legal and regulatory requirements, such as stamp duty, registration, and tax obligations. Both the buyer and seller must ensure compliance with these requirements to avoid any legal consequences and smoothly conclude the asset sale. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of the significant steps involved in an asset sale from one company to another in India. By understanding these steps and legal requirements, you can simplify your asset sale process and mitigate potential risks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. And thank you for watching. Lawminds. Title: Steps involved in asset sale from one company to another in India.